What does pink and yellow make? Pink and yellow are two vivacious, energizing hues. Consequently, they are frequently linked to joyful occasions like spring and Mother's Day. In designs, these two colors go nicely together, although many people never consider combining them. That's a big shame because the combination can enhance the originality of art. Let's learn more in this video about pink, yellow, and the various tints of orange. How does color seem to our eyes? There is a lot more going on than we are aware of when our eyes sense colors and lights. Cones and rods in our eyes enable us to distinguish between various hues. Humans are able to distinguish various wavelengths of the visible light spectrum as colors. The wavelengths of violet are the shortest, while those of red is the longest. Those cones and rods enable us to see the wavelengths that reflect off an entity when we stare at it. For instance, while gazing at an apple, colors wavelengths except for red are absorbed by the apple and rest reflected off of it. The apple appears brilliant red to our eyes as a result. The color wheel. The color wheel contains the primary, secondary and tertiary colors. It aids artists and designers in determining which hues contrast, complement, and are comparable to one another. What color does pink and yellow make? Peach results from mixing yellow paint and pink paint. It's a lovely shade that is much more modest than a typical orange. What color does hot pink and yellow make? If you mix yellow and hot pink, you get darker shades of peach color. What color does light pink and yellow make? If you mix yellow and light pink, you will obtain a lighter variant of peach. What color does pinkish orange and yellow make? If you add pinkish orange and yellow, it will appear as a somewhat darker shade of peach due to the high concentration of orange. This is a complete guide on what color pink and yellow make. We hope you got your answer. Like, subscribe and ring the notification bell for all the why and what questions you may have.